Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Best Product. This is Ali. This is a new smartphone from Gearbest. Thank you so much Gearbest for trusting us and send us a new product. This is UMIDIGI S2. Let's see the box. This is the charger from UMIDIGI, and this is cable Type-C and headphone Type-C, because guys this smartphone it will have a port for headphone. UMIDIGI S2, it's a huge 6-inch 2 camera, fingerprint, flash. Okay, gonna clean this area and we will see the phone how it look like. This is the phone how it look like. It's huge, 6-inch. The quality look nice. Okay, let's test the fingerprint. Yeah. Right. Now we're gonna do the test again of fingerprint. It's very fast. Let's try it again. It's very fast. Okay, now we're gonna do a test for the game. Okay, we're gonna take a picture for this. We do a test for the video. Now we're gonna do a test for YouTube video. Okay guys, thank you for watching my video. I hope you like this review. If you want to buy it, please check out the link below the description. You will find the link and the coupon. Thank you everyone, and bye.